Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Welcome to the month of June, where we are incorporating a series of power flow. What that means is you're going to get warm, that heart rate's going to get up, and we're going to move in sequential order to where the biomechanics are good for our body. So make sure you are in a spacious area, and let's get started. Let's get started at the front of your mat, shoulders back, navel in and up. Scoop the arms up with a deep inhale. And arms down with an exhale. We're going to move with our breath and our body. Inhale up and exhale down. One more time, deep breath in and exhale down. You'll notice we're doing sets of 3. They're called Kriyas to help warm up the body. Scoop the arms up. This time we're hinging from the hips down to a half rise. Our hands are on our shins or they're on the ground depending on your warmth and flexibility. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. And exhale, find your hands on your shins or on the ground, half rise. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale, swoop up and arms come up, find your chair. Inhale, lift up, arms go back. And exhale, find your chair. Inhale, lift up, arms go back. And exhale, chair. One more time, inhale, lift up, arms go back. And let's find that forward fold now. Down you go all the way to the forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. Exhale, forward fold all the way down. Bend your knees if you need to, no problem. Inhale up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. Find your chair. Weight goes in the right leg, left leg steps back. Go a little bit lower if you can. Lean forward, step forward, chair. And go back. If I go too fast, go at your own pace. Lean forward, step forward, chair, and back. Lean forward, step forward, hold this chair. Switch, left leg grabs the weight, right leg steps back. Lean forward, step forward, chair. Weight goes in that left heel, and back. Lean forward, and back. Lean forward, hold the chair. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. And forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. And find that chair. Weight goes in the right leg. Left leg steps back. Warrior prep the back left leg. Right arm in front, left arm behind. Drop the left arm down. Right arm up. Inhale, center. Exhale, right arm, right thigh. Exhale, forward. 2 more times. Inhale. And back. Inhale. And forward. Inhale and back. Inhale and forward. Holding it here. Bring your arms to the front. Pivot the back foot. Holding in this high lunge. Inhale, exhale, cactus the arms, lean back. Inhale, up, exhale back. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale up, lean forward, step forward, chair. Sweep the arms up. And back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And find your chair. Weight goes in the left leg, right leg kicks back. Find your warrior 2. Drop the right hand, left hand dances back, humble warrior. And lift up and dance it forward. Find your breath connection. Inhale, center if you can. Exhale, back. Inhale, center. Exhale, forward. Inhale, center. And back. Inhale, center. And forward. Inhale, back to your center. Find your warrior 1, then pivot back to both feet facing front. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale up. Exhale, back. Inhale up. Exhale, back. Inhale up, lean forward, step forward to chair. Inhale, sweep the arms up and forward fold, down you go. Sink into this forward fold, take this moment to find your breath, feel your body. Maybe feel your heart rate go up a little bit. Inhale, swoop up and bring your hands to your heart. Pick up the right leg, kick the right leg in front, swoop it back, back, back. Arms can be here to warrior 3. If you can, bring your hands down on the ground, bend the left knee or behind your ankle. Wherever you are, we're gonna kick the right leg up and then slowly lower it down. 1, Inhale up if you can. If not, don't worry. Down. Inhale up and down. Bend your knee wherever you are. Find that forward fold, reverse swan dive up. Deep breath here. Exhale down. Inhale up. And bring your left leg up. Kick it through. Arms come up. Swoop it to warrior three. If you can, go down, grab your ankle, grab the ground, wherever you can. We're gonna kick the left leg up and down 3 times. 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3. Lower that left leg. Inhale, swoop on up, deep breath. And hands come to your heart. Close your eyes, just notice your body, notice the warmth in it, and notice the blood flowing through. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees, jump on back or not to a plank. Chaturanga, drop the knees or not, down you go. You can go to baby or upward facing dog, shoulders back, deep breath here. Different than some of your other salutations, drop the knees, find your child's pose. Tuck the toes under, lift the hips up, downward facing dog. Jump, walk, or handstand up to a forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Hands come to your heart, close your eyes. If I'm going too fast, find your own breath. Stay in a certain pose and just breathe in and out. We're gonna do that 2 more times. Inhale, sweep the arms up and back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half rise, chin up, heart up, chest up. Exhale, forward fold. Jump, walk, or step back to a plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, baby or upward. Find the knees drop. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, downward facing dog. Walk, jump, or stand to a forward fold. If you jump, make sure it's like a handstand jump and you slightly lower down those feet, nice soft landing. Inhale, swoop the arms up and hands to your heart. You can do 1 more time, deep breath here. And release. Inhale, lift up and back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half rise. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, baby or upward. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Come up on your toes. If you're okay with your knees and if you want an extra challenge, bend the knees and sit down. If this hurts your knees, stay on up. If you can come all the way down to a balance. If you're just doing a squat, like a nice little middle squat with your feet down, your heels down, that's fine. If you have knee issues, please do so. Don't try to challenge yourself in a way that hurts your joints. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, back down if you can, even if it's here. Watch out for the knees. Inhale, lift up. If you have any knee pain, please exempt. Exhale down. And inhale up. So the arms up and back. And we're gonna go ahead and come on down onto our bottoms. However you get there, that's fine. Shoulders back, navel in and up. Lift the legs up. Arms come in front. Straighten the legs. Inhale and exhale. Whatever works for you. 2 more times. 1. Good. And 2. Place your legs down. Lift the hips up for 1. We're going to 3. 2. Good. And 3. Bring your legs down. Go ahead and bring your right leg into your nose and place it into flying pigeon. Take a deep breath in and switch. Exhale. 1. Switch. Exhale. 2. Switch. Exhale. 3. Bring both knees into your chest. Drop both knees to the left. Right arm goes out to the right. And take 3 solid breaths here, in and out. Beautiful. Squeeze the core. Bring your knees up and over to the other side. 3 solid breaths on this side now. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. 3. Bring those knees into your chest. Place your feet down however you'd like. Arms go out. Take this moment to restore. Maybe feel your heartbeat a little stronger. Feel your body relax Enjoy the warmth, enjoy the relaxation and more flexibility in your body. Then when and if you're ready, you can come on up nice, slow, and easy to a seated position. Scoot the arms up over the head, placing the hands together into your heart. Take a deep breath of gratification and exhale, releasing any barriers. Tell yourself you can do big things. Deep breath in and out. Namaste. Make sure to always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.